Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing tools and opening the door so hinges are loaded correctly. This reduces binding. First, locate the small set screw on the knob or lever and back it out with a 7mm wrench or Allen key. This frees the handle. Once loosened, grip the knob firmly and pull straight out. Do not twist wildly because internal parts can jam. Next, remove the two faceplate screws with a Phillips #2. These expose the lock cylinder and latch for the next steps. Now focus on extracting the cylinder. Insert the key and turn slightly to align the cam so the cylinder can move. This is important because small pins need to clear. If the lock has pinned internals, use a plug follower to support the plug as you slide it out, otherwise the pins will fall. Once aligned, pry off the thin retaining clip with a flat screwdriver or 1/8 punch, careful with spring tension. Then gently slide the cylinder straight out while supporting the inner. Finish by removing the latch assembly from the door edge, unscrew the two screws and pull the latch out. Inspect all components for wear. If the cylinder or cam is damaged, replace it now. Reassemble in reverse. Insert latch, slide cylinder, secure retaining clip, then reinstall faceplate and knobs, making sure the set screw is tightened. If something sticks, back the set screw out, apply silicone lubricant to the cylinder, and tap the plug gently with a wood block while turning the key to free it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.